Hey everybody, here they are. It's still Thursday. No, Friday, the 15th. And they're trying to figure out how to do this. Because it's hard. It's hard because we don't actually have a place they can go down in there. So as long as he digs out as much as possible. Thank you, Capitan.
Nacho compare.
Campare, thank you. We've been waiting a long time to fix this.
He's the one of the
Hello.
honey.
You look like James.
That's his grandson.
You told him we lose all this during the storm, you know?
Para alam mo ba, ano namin, natanggal na sakay. Pagyo. Tandaan mo nung dati? Oo.
We put like 200 sandbags there.
Lagay namin ng sako. Oo.
200.
Alam pa namin ng sako para hindi dapat gobyerno yan, di ba?
Yun po talaga sa mga ano.
Parang kami lang, kailangan na kami lang na ano.
Now we had a small backhoe come in here and try, but it's too small. You tell him.
Sabi niya, meron daw siya nirental na bako, pero napakaliit. Kasi kailangan ko na ng parang. Sabi ko doon siya na sabi mo na kami. Kailangan para sa kasi yung nakakalimutan namin.
Yeah, I don't know how much of this he's actually going to be able to do because I don't know if he can get down here. Actually, this whole area needs to be done, but let's wait and see. At least he's getting it wider. He's taking out all these weeds towards the wall. Hi. You look like my son, James. James? What? I don't understand. Paco? Paco? What's Paco? Backhoe. 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 Not Paco. This is the ex-Capitan, not the new one. He was the one that we talked to a long time ago. And this is his grandson. And then he said all I have to do is tip this operator. I'll give him a tip, no problem. Because I'm sure nobody else did. He's got to put down his other anchor. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Put down his feet. The feet.
Honey, he knows. That's his job.
I don't want him to fall over.
He knows, honey. Ba.
He's scaring me.
Kasi malambot din.
Anyway, the part he's doing is the important part anyway. That's where we got the erosion, so it wasn't wide enough. Now at least it'll be much wider and deeper. We'll see how much he can do. Much better than the small one.
Of course, that's a powerful 190 watts.
Ask him if he thinks they're ever going to fix this wall. We'll put a new wall. Ask him.
It's not even, don't hold your breath. That's not gonna happen. So,
Because
you have to request to Congress Angara.
we talked to Mayor already, tell him.
I know, but Angara is doing the construction here, right?
Congressman
Angara.
Angara.
Yeah, you will write a letter.
You have to write a letter. Okay. And give it to what? The barangay? The letter?
Yeah.
Or to the mayor?
Ah, sa Baler. Baler.
You have to give it to Bel Air?
Yeah. Because there's oh, that's his office in Baler.
Oh. We have to go there one day anyway, maybe check on the title. So there you go, folks. He's doing a good job. See, she won't ask those questions until I'm here. She don't know. She doesn't understand that you got to ask these questions while everybody's here. So that's what you have to do.
Tapos na kami.
Ask the congressman about the wall.
Okay. Sa may damo lang, huwag na. Ha?
Hi! Hi! So that's what we got to do, but he's doing a good job. He's making it wider. I wish he could get down in there and really do the whole thing. I don't know if he's going to be able to. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to show you guys the finished product maybe later on if it's not too late, or tomorrow morning. But see, they're trying to do all this now. For one reason, the storm's coming, and for another reason, he said this backhoe has another place to go to, another job. It's already scheduled after this one. So we'll see how much of this he can get done. I'm hoping he comes down here a little bit farther, but if not, at least he's doing the most important part. Hi! So that's it for now. I don't want to make this video too long, but at least we're finally getting it done, folks. Finally getting it done. Thank God for one thing. Let's see what happens with this storm. All right, keep praying, keep your fingers crossed. Like and subscribe is free. God bless everyone. Santa Claus over and out.